everyone, welcome to EduCare 247. This is the third lecture of important reports and indices. In this lecture series, we discuss the important report published by international and national organization. This series is very much useful for RBI, NABARD and SEBI examination. In today's lecture, we are discussing SDG India Index 2019. This is published by Niti Aayog. This report is very important for NABARD examination. NABARD Grade 8 2020 notification is out. This year, NABARD has released 139 vacancies. EduCare 247 has launched NABARD Grade A Examination 2020 crash course. In this crash course, you will get the current affairs of general awareness, economic and social issues, agriculture and rural development, government scheme, reports and indices, economic survey and budget, summary of reports published by NABARD, different ministries, summary of Yojana and Kurukshetra, ARD static portion, general awareness static portion. This course is important for phase 1 and phase 2 examination. In this course, you will get notes, 24x7 doubt session will be there, MCQs will be there, video lecture will be there. Everything will be there in this course, and this course is sufficient for NABARD Grade A exam 2020 preparation. You can subscribe this course. The fees of this course is 2,499. We have separate course for ARD section and computer awareness section. The fees of that course is 1,499. You can visit educare247.com and subscribe the course. Sustainable Development Goals India Index has been published by Niti Aayog, and this is the second edition of this index. The index documents the progress made by Indian states and union territories towards achieving the 2030 Sustainable Development Goal targets. This year, total 16 Sustainable Development Goals have been measured. Last year, it was only 13 goals. So this is improvement from the last year. The index has been developed in the collaboration with Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, United Nations and Global Green Growth Institute. So this institute is also very important, those who has helped in the development of this index. 2020 year will be the 5th anniversary of adoption of Sustainable Development Goal. So this fact is also very important. Let's discuss how Sustainable Development Goal India Index has been calculated. So a score has been given the number between 0 to 100 according to their performance for achieving the Sustainable Development Goal. If the score is between 0 to 49, the state will be called aspirant. If it is between 50 to 64, the state will be called performer, and if it is between 65 to 99, they will be called front runner, and if they are achieving 100, then they will be called achiever. Let's see this year number. The Kerala has topped the ranking. Kerala has got 70. It is the highest. After that, Himachal Pradesh. In Union Territory, Chandigarh has topped. It has got 70 score. Lowest score is for Bihar, 50 number. This is the list for bottom 5 states. Bihar, Jharkhand, Arunachal, Meghalaya, UP and Assam has got 55 number. So this is the overall list for India's state. In 2019, no state is under the aspirant category. All the states from aspirant category in 2018 has been moved to performer category. Last year, Assam, Bihar, UP was under the aspirant state. Now they have moved to performer state. So this is the improvement from the 2018. This year, the performer category state like Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Goa, they have moved to front runner category state. So you can see the changes. They are in green. So this year, many states have done the development for the Sustainable Development Goals. That's why the ranking has changed. Let's see the national analysis of SDG India Index 2019. India's composite score is 60. Last year this score was 57. So India has improved by 3 points. This is a good improvement. India has done well in water and sanitation, power and industry. but still India is lacking in nutrition and gender equality. Many India's states are very much worse in nutrition and gender equality. They have to work hard in this section, and then their SDG achievement ranking will improve. If you will see the state-wise analysis, Kerala has topped the ranking and it has scored 70. Himachal Pradesh is on the second position. It has scored 69. The worst performer is Bihar. It has 50 score. Uttar Pradesh has shown maximum improvement according to the report. Chandigarh has topped the Union Territory list and it has scored 70. Puducherry has scored second in the Union Territory list and it has the score of 66. So this is the national and state-wise analysis. Remember these points. This can be asked in the examination. Let's see goal-wise top performer state. Goal 1 is no poverty. In this, Tamil Nadu has topped. Goal 2 is zero hunger. In this, Goa and Chandigarh has topped. Goal 3 is good health and well-being. In this, Kerala and Puducherry has topped. Goal 4 is quality education. Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh has done well in this. Goal 5 is gender equality. In this, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh has done well. Goal 6 is clean water and sanitation. In this, Andhra and Chandigarh has done well. Goal 7 is affordable and clean energy. In this, Sikkim and Puducherry has done well. Goal 8 is decent work and economic growth. In this, Telangana and Chandigarh has done well. You have to remember the goal number also. In NABARD, many a times the goal has been asked. So in future examination also, goal can be asked. In goal 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure, Kerala and Gujarat has done well. In goal 10, reduce inequality, Telangana and Andaman has done well. Goal 11 is sustainable cities and communities. In this, Himachal Pradesh has done well. Goal 12 is sustainable consumption and production. In this, Nagaland and Chandigarh has done well. Goal 13 is climate action. Karnataka and Lakshadweep has done well in this category. Goal 14 is life below water. Karnataka has done well in this. Goal 15 is life on land. Sikkim, Manipur, Dadar and Nagar Haveli has done well in this. Goal 16 is peace, justice and strong institution. Gujarat and Andhra has done well in this category. So you have to remember goal number also. This is very important for the examination. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment. Thank you and happy learning.